Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you all how I straighten my hair and also at the end how I wrap it to maintain it. So I'm using the Care Silk and Seal sheen. I don't really like it because I feel like you have to be so careful with it or it will weigh down the hair. I prefer the Mizani, what is that, Spradiance serum, but I was just giving this one a try to see if I used it by itself, if it would be better. It's okay, but I don't think I would recommend it. So as usual, I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I may just come in and out and explain what I'm doing. But as you can see here, I'm just taking kind of small sections and just going through each piece. And I have my flat iron set on the number that's right before the highest number. I think the highest number is 50. I'm not looking at it right now, but I think it's 50, and so I think I have mine set on 45. I always try to like stay away from the highest setting because you have to be more careful, number one, and then it also gets my hair even straighter, and I like to leave just a little bit of texture in my hair sometimes because it allows me to be able to do more with it. And it's not like, I know a lot of people go for that super silky look, and I like that too, but sometimes I just like to maybe like put a braid. I can't really describe it right now, but like I'll do like braids, not braids, but like a cornrow kind of to like keep my hair out of my face. And I feel like when it's super silky, it's very hard for it to stay like in that style. So yeah, I like to leave a little bit of texture sometimes. But yes, I'm just gonna let you all watch and enjoy.
Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. Really only wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? What point in waiting anymore. Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, I want you around, around, I want you around, around, I want you
And so this is basically how it looks after I finish straightening it. Of course, it'll be even more, I guess, silky after I wrap it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I just kind of brush or comb everything forward from the center of my head and then from the center going back. Am I explaining that right? Like I just comb everything from the center and then I wrap away from where I parted my hair. So if I part my hair on the left, I wrap towards the right. And if I part on the right, I wrap to the left. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to keep wrapping until, and see, if I would have like silked my hair, this wrapping it would have been really, really hard. Like it would have just kept falling. But I just sprayed a little bit more of the Silk & Seal on it, and when I wrap it and tie it down, it's just going to help smooth it out a little more. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it around, and then I tie it down with a silk scarf, and I'm just going to leave it on for a couple of hours until I finish getting ready, and then I will take it down and let you all see the end result.
Baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just
Okay, and this is what it looks like after I take the silk scarf off and comb it down. As you can see in the front, I always get that little like crease there sometimes, that little wave because of the knot. But I'm okay with it because it'll eventually like smooth out. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!